Hi, this is Daniel Gruesso. I am the PM for the source code group here at GitLab, part of the Create stage. And today I want to share with you the kickoff for GitLab release 13.8, which we'll be shipping to the world on January 22nd of 2021, next year. All right, so let's get right to it. We'll be working on two main areas here. And the first one is to do around code owners. So as you know, currently, the code owners file allows you to define certain sections. And the purpose of being able to define certain sections is that multiple teams can look after common parts of the code. So let's say you are you're working on a payments application, and every change made to the payments code must be reviewed by the security team, but also the backend team. So having sections allows you to define those rules and basically have approval from both parties. But currently, let's say if there's one team whose approval is optional, that team only wants to be notified of changes that are made to that section of the code, but they don't want to hold up the process by having a required approval. That is not something that you could currently do. So what we want to do is we want to introduce the ability for users to define and select which code owner sections are going to be required for changes here to move forward, and which other ones are going to be optional. This is kind of a workflow that we're still working on, and basically allow you to configure this as part of your branch settings. The second thing that we're going to work on is the ability to show you merge request data for squashed and merge commits. So as you know, currently, when there's a merge request that is related to a commit, we will show that to you as part of the commit information. And it'll tell you which merge request this commit was included in. However, that is not true for squashed or merged commits. And basically, we want to bring parity between those two and show you merge request data for all the commits so you can kind of track where changes were introduced. Yeah, so we're very excited to work on these changes for 13.8. As always, your feedback is appreciated. Please feel free to reach out, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.